Hello, internet.
That was a husky little hello, internet.
I don't know why.
I'm going to kill you.
We are shooting with the beautiful Mika. She's popped in to get some new raw headshots that we're going to be sending to her agency, so just like unedited stuff.
Straight out of camera.
Straight out of camera.
raw.
That's it. And so we are going to quickly show you how just changing three little things can actually make like a huge difference.
Cool.
Cool.
Cool, so I'm shooting with the Sony today, just with the 70-200. I've got it into medium, I think. Medium motor drive, but it's on mechanical shutter, not electronic shutter. It's shooting at about the rate I want to shoot at. I'm going to be shooting a lot more pictures than I'm going to keep, but it allows me to shoot quicker than the model can think, so I can beat her. I'm on Capture One. My settings on Capture One, I haven't done much. My black and white, you'll see, I've just pretty much left all my channels exactly as is, because I'm really not happy with that in orange. In my exposure and more my dynamic range area, I've pulled my highlights back to -6, brought my shadows up 26, whites are up to 12, and my blacks are up to 4, just to get this. And this is straight out of the camera, haven't put any other filter on it. This is just what we're going to get, this beautiful, clean skin look, and that's all I want to give the agencies. So something that looks like it's been photoshopped, but something that's straight out. I am just using natural light coming through, bouncing off this. We've got a constant light on the background, just blowing the background out. I have my zebraing turned out on, so I'm just, the sun's going in and out a lot, so it's just so I can keep an eye on Mika's skin, but I want the background to be blowing out. And I'll be shooting, I'm on eye focus, so it's set onto continuous focus on eye, so I've got it onto eye, and it's a way that you wouldn't have seen me work much, but it's a way I used to work a lot, because I can just I can move a lot myself, or I can have the model move a lot, and it doesn't matter how quick she moves, I don't have to worry about telling the hold, not that I say to hold, but now all I want is make it just soften down and try and make it as natural as possible. Cool, that's really cool. It's really cool, keep drifting, that's really nice. Now, sometimes what I'll do, that's cool, back over the shoulder, nice, cool. Who are you looking at? Come back and look at the other person. Cool, that's really cool. Nice, that's better. No, friend, no. Not because the frown is a pre one of your shots, all right? You're better off to look rather than try and more see the person that you don't want to look at, cool. We've been working on posing for a while now, just to change up, getting away from the e-commerce-y type of look and getting more into that fashion and that really natural beauty. Capture One's coping all right. It's lagging behind a little bit on the motor drive, but they're coming through while that's catching up. So he's just using this as something that Mika can lean against as well as get a little bit of bounce. With this, because she's standing upright, a lot of the shots are very prim and proper. They're not as relaxed as maybe what I want. So I'm just going to get rid of I've just dropped the couch in there because I want to get Mika lounging more, because that's instantly going to make her feel more comfortable. I'm going to come down and try and still shoot at that eye level with her. I'm just checking my exposure. I've lost a little bit of light. That's cool. Cool, that's really pretty. Nice. Cool. Just lounge over the couch a little bit more. So yeah, a little bit, but not with swimmer arms. So you did some really nice ones where your head was down, that nice laying. That's cool, that's really pretty. That's cool, that's really stunning. So I'm coming in fairly tight on this, cool. So drift around, thoughts. Cool, that's really pretty. Keep going, just keep drifting, don't stop at all. So it doesn't matter how quick you move, I can capture, cool. And that's one of the joys with shooting with continuous autofocus, where you've got the eye detect. Cool, that's really nice. Cool. Like this camera will shoot a lot faster, but I don't want any more than this. This is about enough because the model can't time herself to this, because I'm taking 1 and 2 shot little bursts. So she has to keep drifting like it's a video. Cool, that's really pretty. Cool, cool. I like that a lot. Come on, bring eyes back, drop your chin back down, just that. That's really pretty. And the one other change I'm going to do to this, it's because what I saw on the earlier pictures when I was shooting this, it gave me the feel of some of the very early Kate Moss type pictures. So I'm now just going to change the background up to give one final look of this. All right, so just by changing this wall, I'm now going to come off the tripod now and just work around. Cool, that's really pretty. Just change my shutter there, cool. Nice, nice. Keep drifting. Cool, cool. I don't care how weird you make it, as long as you feel it. So if it feels quirky and different, that's good. Cool, cool, cool. That's really nice. One of the reasons I like coming on to moving out and getting off the tripod is I can force the model to move, but she has to follow me. See, I've got complete control over wherever I go. She's going to follow. Cool. So it's, oh, that's really pretty. Keep drifting, keep drifting. And if I find if she's getting stale with me, if I just keep moving, that's really pretty. Cool, cool. That's nice. Stunning, stunning. Cool. That's beautiful. Soften it. No fakies. Come back to real, real. Going at home, just lounging on your sofa now. It's not. Can you just come side on? Remember you did something with your leg before that was cool? Yeah. Just so sit side on, maybe have a leg that's awkward. Yeah, that's cool. Just by having an awkward sort of leg will put a certain feel into their face. Cool, nice. That's really pretty. There, cool. Cool. We're done. So with that, I know Mika's going to come and have a look how beautiful these. So you like how that's...
Oh, I love that. This is really cool.
That's really cool, isn't it?
This is super cool.
See, and I could never pose you to do that, could I? It's so much better. I've just got to get you moving around.
Yeah, it's really awesome.
Cool.
Okay, so thank you for watching.
Hello, this is Beck, the Whisperer.
I'm not whispering.
Oh, it's Mondays.
It's Mondays, yeah.
It's a Monday voice.
Mondays. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed that and that you learned something new and useful. And as always, we will leave everything in the description down below. And if you enjoyed this, then you might want to check out something that will be floating around here. I don't know where I'll put it. I'll put it somewhere though.